This is a pretty good headphone from Audio-Technica. Chances are you're going to find some sweet deal on it this Black Friday or Cyber Monday. But sadly, the ear muff, the thing that surrounds your ear, is going to be really lousy. Here you can see that I partially replaced it with a new one, and this is the old one. Here we go. This is the old one that I swapped out earlier. It's going to be all ripped up and going to be very nasty looking within, I would say, about 6 to 8 months. So the solution is not to throw the whole headset away. That's pretty bad for the environment and expensive as well. The solution is just take this thing out and replace with a brand new one. This one seems to be much more comfortable and durable. Taking out the old one is pretty easy. All you have to do is just rip it right out, lift, and then pull out. The hardest part, of course, is putting the brand new one in. So here, looking at it from this side, this is where your ears will be going into. So this part will be going onto the headset. Look at this. This is the ridges right here. I don't know what you might call it. I'm going to call it ridges. Ridge. It will go into this groove right here of the headset. Very small groove. Yeah, so it's kind of tricky. I'm going to start from the side. Try your best to get whatever you can into that groove. And then work your way through. Wherever you work your way through, be sure to hold in position or else it will just slip right out. There we go. Everything's back on. Good as new. Brand spanking new. No need to buy the whole headset. Hopefully this video helps you with getting your headset to look brand new. Hopefully you find some good deals today or Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.